Welcome to 2360 Fulton Street. This is a top floor, full floor flat, available for lease, and it works anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms. There's 7 rooms total, including the kitchen. There's an interior staircase that opens to a formal landing. It's a nice area there. And then a hallway that way that connects to all the rooms. We'll start in room number 1, which is a great candidate for a living room. It has a gas fireplace with a arts and crafts mantle, stained glass window, bay window with double paned windows. There's great hardwood floors throughout the flat, and it's directly across from Golden Gate Park. To the left, room number 2. It also has the double pane windows looking onto the park. There's cove ceilings, nice light fixtures throughout, central heating. Right here in the hall would be room number 2's walk-in closet. Yeah, that's kind of dark, but it's a pretty big closet. Room number 3, the blue room. Double windows, optional dresser, optional rug. It's nice and spacious and light. Onward, this is a side exit, kind of used as a closet. There's another exit. It's a split bath. You have a nice vanity. Stone floor. Nice tile, shower over tub. And then the back half, there's a petite small room. Room number 4 has a pretty good closet. It's a great nursery, maybe guest room, has a bedroom. I think the full size is about as big as you're going to be able to comfortably get in there. Room number 5 gets quite bigger, and it has bay windows. Sorts, but they're actually newer double pane windows. And from this room, you can get the top of the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a little foggy there. There it is. And this whole big pano western view. Pretty deep closet. Room number 6 has a door here and also a door from the kitchen. Another fireplace, this with a brick look, and then it has built-in shelving. Looks like it's been modernized. And again, the 3 windows. Looks like it even has a better view of the bridge. And there's a beam ceiling in room number 6. And our final, room number 7, you can go through this door. We're going to go this way into the kitchen. And the kitchen's been remodeled. Stone counters. Modern cabinets. Gas range with hood. double sinks with retractable faucet, dishwasher, and stainless refrigerator. And the kitchen has space for a dining area, maybe a bar table, a little breakfast nook. And it opens to the laundry room, which features a see-through washer, dryer, extra storage shelves, and off the laundry there's a pantry. If you're interested in leasing 2360 Fulton Street, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thanks. Have a great day.